We have here a parrot.
So cool.
I wouldn't get close to it though, but
you don't need to address what the bird is. I think the viewers will know that's a parrot. Say hello. Oh, say something. What?
That's what it's saying. It's so cool.
Hello. Hi, bird. What did you say? I love something. What? What did you say?
He says, I want something.
Yeah.
I couldn't understand it.
You want food?
I want to zoom in close to that.
So cool. Smart bird.
I've never seen a parrot. That is really strange. Just start saying things.
I think I poked him.
Yeah, I think so.
But he was like cussing. Hello. Hey, bird. So cool. Say something. Other than what? Huh?
I think it said go. I don't know. It's like go.
Say something. Huh? Speak English. Not your parrot language. Speak English. What'd you say?
You say something saying hello friend.
Hello.
It's like hello friend.
Such a cool bird.
Stop the video here.